Tariki mirongo ere na ithano mweri wa gatatu mwaka wa ngirigire mirongo ere na inya ni mwihoko wakwa ati ni urakigire na thabato njega ni ndoka niguo ngumenyithie maria tugikuhaririirie metha-ini citu cia mohoro riboti kuma county tiganite guku bururi-ini wa Kenya nginyagia riboti kuma nja wa itoka cia bururi ni maingi maria andiki aitu magitumatheirie ni hingo ciothe njitikaga Wairimu wa Kimani ririkana ati turamemerekia imwe kwa imwe nende citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria wathi kuria mwena wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV waikoroka kuria mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV na ni hingo ciothe njitikaga Wairimu wa Kimani na riu tukiambiriria ni ati Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Kithure Kindiki ni athiete na mbere gutabania micemanio icigo itiganite cia bururi hari guthie na mbere na kurwa na bara kana kugathika mitaratara mieru na gutigirira ati ni marwa na wendia wa njohi na dawa cia ifango na kuria Kithure Kindiki augete ati mihango ino no iguthie na mbere.
You're aware we have a national program to enforce the law on the fight against illicit killer brews as well as narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. We have reviewed the progress that has been made by the teams here. Some progress has been made, but we believe there is a lot more that we can do to make sure that we eradicate this problem permanently this time round, because in the past, whenever we've tried to do this, we've done it for a few months and then we go back to factory settings. This time round, we've decided to sustain this war on a permanent basis, the way we have sustained the war on other serious national security threats. What these poisonous drinks, unhealthy drinks, drugs, and substances are doing is that they are destroying the best of our population. They are making our young people unproductive socially and economically. They are making crime levels even go high. And I want to here confirm that actually since we began the crackdown nationally on 7th of March, there has been a sharp decline on reported crime statistics across the country, meaning there is a link between the drug problem, the illicit alcohol problem, and crime levels. So we want to secure our country, but we also want our people to engage in productive activities.
Now atongoria ngurani amwahu wa Azimio la Umoja riu ni mathiete na mbere gukorwo maruritie mukana wa gucokereria mirurungano gukinyaniria ati riboti ya kamiti ya miario ya uiguano ya NADCO ndina kinyanirio na ihenya matongoretio o ni governor wa county ya Siaya James Orengo maugite ati thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza nionekanete kuhuthira hari gukinyaniria riboti ino ya NADCO aritie u ari wabici-ini cia kiama kia ODM gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Alengo Usoga.
We are demanding that the parties to the NADCO negotiation, which was co-chaired by Kalonzo Musyoka and Ichung'wah, and the party political affairs secretary Opiyo Wandayi and minority leader was a member. We demand that the resolutions of NADCO, because we have noticed that there is hesitation on the part of UDA from making sure that NADCO is implemented and the legislation is passed. We continue to support Raila Amolo Odinga as our party leader. And because no vacancy has been announced in the seat of the party leader, Raila Amolo Odinga continues to be the party leader of ODM. As Mira Mudaro Pino say aye. while appreciating the work that the party in Siaya has done and in the sub-counties and the branches, we urge the counties, the county coordinating committee and the sub-counties to intensify the recruitment of party members and verification of members. We here resolve that we must have regular meetings of the party.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Kilifi ni yambikite mihango ya umomori wa nyumba iria ciaketwo itahitũkĩtio ni thirikari na makĩria mĩgũnda-inĩ ikoragwo na ngucanio. Ni uge uria uheanĩtwo ni gavana wa gũkũ Gideon Mung'aro uria ũraikĩtie mũkana kũrĩ maabitha a DCI kwaga kwĩingĩrania na macira ma mĩgũnda kuona itonga nyingĩ ikoretwo ikĩhahama athĩni mĩgũnda-inĩ yao makĩhũthĩra wabici ya DCI. No na gũkĩrĩ ũguo Mung'aro ni ahitĩtie kũnyitanĩra harĩ gũkinyanĩria umomori ũyũ akĩonekana gũcakaya ikinya-inĩ rĩake gũtũngio igũthane matua ma magoti kumana na itonga ici kũhanda macira ma kũrũgamio kwa umomori ũyũ.
Najua jana kulivunjwa Mtwapa maukuta ambayo yamejengwa na watu ambao hawajachukua idhini ya kaunti. Nataka niseme hapa waziwazi kwamba mtu yote hata uwe na title deed ukijenga mradi hii county bila approval ya county utavunja hata kama ni ghorofa 10. Must be very clear to the public. Kwamba hata ukijenga mradi kama ni ghorofa ngapi? 10. And this matters here DCI. DCI has no business with land. Kama ni land fraud, watu wa kuchunguza land fraud, watuambie kitu gani imefanyika ya fraud. But hawezi kuwa DCI ndio watu wanapatia notice ya kuevict watu. Tumekubaliana? So that is my message. Lakini wacheni kuambiwa hapa maana ya DCI na agent nakwambia hii story ya threats za watu wa DCI sijui na nani, I don't want to hear them. We have county laws, we have our bylaws. If you build without permit, we will break the wall. If you bring a story building, we will break it. And I warn the DCI, and I'm putting it very clear here. Wanijaribu mimi kama wanijui vizuri. Hakuna kutishatisha wananchi hapa. Kwani wao ndio walichaguliwa hapa? They have just been posted.
Nake Minister Nyafara Musalia Mudavadi ni athigatĩte ũrũmwe wa Kenya harĩ ũkinyanĩria wa tabarĩra ngũrani cia ũkũria wa bũrũri akĩaria arĩ kanitha-inĩ wa Dominion Chapel kĩmũkaũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Kajiado. Mudavadi nĩ orĩtie a Kenya kũigaga ngũrani cia mwena-inĩ na kũnyitanĩra harĩ gũkinyanĩra iroto na tabarĩra cia bata harĩ ũkũria wa gĩbũrũri akĩmoria kũhĩmbĩria njĩra cia ushindani gũtarĩ kũtumũra ngũĩ.
What should be our vision? We have our personal visions, but what should be our collective vision? Can we envision a united country? Can we envision a country where everybody works and mingles without problems? Can we envision a peaceful and secure nation? Can we envision a nation where competition is not enmity? Vile nimeona na viongozi wenu hapa, the mayor, and I've seen it more frequently here in Kajiado, is that they do not convert competition to enmity. Lakini kama taifa tukiwa na lengo, tukiwa na kile tunaita national, that should be our target. And if we are able to do that, not only Kenya, but continent and beyond, we shall have a very good opportunity for our young children to grow and contribute to the future of this human race.
Na areta njira ya uthaitiri wa maria maturigiceirie na makiriotemi wa miti na njira etari na kihariro ruhonge rwa uthaitiri wa mititu KFS riu ni himbirie njira njeru cia guthaitira miti kaunti ya Kilifi kuringana na afitha murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa uthaitiri wa mititu mwena uyu Alphys Fondo augite makoretwo makihuthira bica cia satellite hari guthorima mititu unduria augite ni mateithiriirie hari kuhurana na mihango yothe ya uthukagia wa mititu.
Katika hali zile za kuhakikisha kwamba tumetumia mbinu za kisasa, sasa tumeanza kutumia satellite images kuweza kuangalia hali ambayo iko katika misitu yetu hii ya coast. Kwa mfano kama Kenya Forest Service tuko na njia nyingine ambayo tunaitumia kuweza kujua happenings katika eneo hili la Kilifi katika misitu, ambayo tunapata alerts au tunapata ujumbe kutoka kwa satellite ambao unatueleza mahali fulani pamefunguka. Sasa tunaweza kuenda tukaweze kujua ni kitu gani ambacho kimetendeka na ni hatua gani ambayo tutaifanya.
We are also participating strongly with Kilifi County and the Kenya Forest Service today to plant 1,000 seedlings at Msumarini Primary School, where we are sponsoring the main event. And it is because of this onset of rain, we have taken this as the opportunity to also increase our seedling cover to another 4,000 seedlings by
miti katika shule zetu, sehemu zile zote ambazo tuko nazo public tumeweza kupanda miti. Changamoto imekuwa ni jua, sababu najua mti kupanda ni rahisi, lakini sasa pia hii lengo yetu ya kuhakikisha in the next 10 years tuko na miti 10 billion tumepanda.
Survive na ifike mahali kwa kunacho. Miti ya matunda hasa tunaiangazia kwa mashule. Mashule tukiwa tunajua kwamba miti iko na thamani nyingi na matunda ikiwa ni sehemu moja. Kwa hivyo ile ambayo tunaangazia sana ni miti kama machungwa, miti kama mitomoko. Hii miti ambayo inakuwa kwa urahisi katika maeneo yetu na inaweza kuwa sababu ya kuboresha afya zetu.
Anake mutumia wa President Mama Rachel Ruto ni aranyitanire na arutwo a thukuru wa KU hari gucakaya aria makorirwo magite mioyo yao mutino-ini wa farafara mono wa Maungu faraini ya kuma Voi guthie Mombasa. Ni ihinda iria kuria Mama Rachel ashakaete arutwo aya na kuga ati bururi ni urorirwo ni andu marari na uhoti wa guthondeka rucio rwa bururi. Oroho ni arakendithiire 47 aria marahonia nguraro kuhona kwa naihenya.
Gather here with heavy hearts as we bid farewell to 11 bright souls from the Department of Health Management and Informatics who were taken from us too soon. I bring you heartfelt condolences from the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto. His thoughts and prayers are with you all. As an alumni of Kenyatta University, I'm sad to see the lives of our comrades put off so suddenly. The 11 souls we lost were not just students, they were family, both here at college and at their respective homes. They were bright students, full of potential, eager to learn, graduate, and go out to conquer the world. 7 students who are injured and currently recuperating, we shall continue to keep you in our prayers and trust God for your full recovery.
To convey my very heartfelt condolences to the families, friends, and relatives of the deceased students, and similarly to also convey my deep sympathy
to better each of our lives, but they have departed before they could fulfill their dreams.
Dr. Chumo.
With my soul. na koromerera mbura nene na iria iraire ikiura matura ngurani kaunti-ini ya Kajiado mihango ya ukui nionekanite gutungio morito bara-ini cia matura kana barabara-ini cia matura ma Kitengela kuria aikari ni mashakaite wagi wa mitaro ya gute mai ma kiguo undu uria uracungiriria miyuru barabara-ini makiugo ona kwaya kuhitana makiria ona mbura yathi na mbere na kura. Na murereri witu hau niho ngukorwo ngioya kamwe kigago ikiria ndugathi haraya turacokereria na makiria na riboti cia mathako.
Gutiri ngware ebiso nikio na ithue ria nauma ngo-ini tukiumagara tukeribariba niguo tukahange goko ari tabarira-ini ya mwihangeri goko kwa Muthingi TV uguo ni tutamburite kio na weruteri waku miethere-ini nikio tukaga o hau haku wira-ini tukagia giikaro tukamenya uhangaga atia na wanjiriirie atia
cia thukuru kuma baby class giandiko ni muthuri wiho andikitwo gibanda kihare rugongo
ni okiumia wa keri cihanda thaa 2:30 nginya thaa 3 cia utuko tabarira-ini ya mwihangeri o guku kwa Muthingi TV na ni Mwangi wa Murugi.
Riria turatura muturire-ini uyu ni tucemanagia na maundu matiganite, mamwe magatiga ironda nene ngoro-ini citu na mamwe magatuika rugano rwa gutura ruheanagwo.
Ndirianegeria mwana wakwa iria, mwana ndari na outlet, ndayambirie kuiba, mwana kiambia kurutira kioro kanua na maniuro.
Wathi kirabu no nginya urikoria andu akirabu meka no wikore magero-ini haraka muno.
Konge ni arata matwikirie, konge ni endo aitu amwe makimenyaga aria angi matekumenya.
Kirinde magucagia bangi magoka makanjoherera muthi-ini makaura ngudi ta bag kama bag ya boxing
weka atia
sasa sijui nie ndio goka tunoherero hari na muthi hau lakini sasa the end of the day nduri na handu ha kurira
na nikio nie teri wa Mwangi njinyitetie muthiori gwethana na andu mena rugano rwa mwanya tugakorwo tugikara thi nao magakorwo magituhe maria manatongana namo ni o muthenya wa Juma thaa 2 cia hwaini thiini wa tabarira ya rugano rwakwa guku kwa Muthingi TV.
Kihoto kiunaga utamugete na kuona kihoto watho ni ufataranagia.
Watho ukoragwo wa guteithia mitugo na mikire ya maundu hari andu othe.
Na watho ugite ni 3 months with full pay.
Ndwagirirwo gutwarwo police station kana gutwarwo criminal court ni undu wa defamation.
Na nikio ni nawe tufatie kumenya uria mundu agietha kihoto giake.
mwana ena right yake na mwana we ni innocent
yo toiriko na muthuri na mutumia tokoga na indo equally
watho ni witikiritie ciana icio utigirwo
nyitanana nanie Wairimu wa Kimani guku kwa Muthingi TV o wakana thaigire cia hwaini tuthome na tuhiganie ciegi watho amu guku nikuo kihumo kia gutherema. Na riu ni twagicokereria imwe kwa imwe tuingire kuria iharo-ini citu nake mutongoria wa bururi ni arekinyirie igongona-ini ria gukungwira miaka 60 kirabu kia AFC Leopards marahaririirie bitika muthi wa gukungwira gukinya miaka 60 na kuria mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto arekinyirie kiharo-ini kia Nyayo Stadium igwe marahotanire kirabu kia Ramansa kuma Spain na bao 4 kwa ithatu thutha ucio marathie kabati ya bao 1-1 na kirabu kia Shabana FC.
Mimi niwahakikishie ya kwamba serikali yetu itahakikisha ya kwamba tunarudisha michezo mahali ambapo Kenya inajulikana as a sporting nation. And therefore, I want to commit to you as sportsmen and women that we are properly aligned under our bottom-up economic transformation agenda. Football is front, center, left, right as we go into the future. Pia, nikiongea na nyinyi hapa, timu yetu ya Under 19 ya Talanta iko kule Spain.
Barcelona Ladies na LYS AFC nio marahotanire kirekaine ria kana ria gucanio cia Central Region betekaine cia Safaricom Chapadimba ikirekaine ria final kuria Barcelona Ladies marahotire kirabu kia St Joseph na bao 5-0 na komwena wa beo jithe kirabu kia LYS AFC marahotire M-Pesa Foundation Academy na bao 3-2 maragutungirio ni kimajika kia 250 na kwigwatira tigiti wa kurugamirira Central Region betekaine cia National Final mweri tokete county ya Kisumu. Na kio kirabu kia Ulinzi Starlets riu ni mathire tigiti wa kuigira ikireka ria quarter finals betekaine cia gikombe kia FKF Women's Cup thutha wa kuhota kirabu kia Royal Starlets na bao 3-0 ikirekaine ria 16 betekaine cia Kangemi Ladies marahotire kirabu kia Kayole Starlets na bao 1-0. Bungoma Queens marahotire kirabu kia Equity Queens na bao 2-0.
Only our chance to have a cup, the only chance we have to have a cup. So I'm happy they are working, they have changed their mentality and they've shaken out the loss against the Police.
Game iko poa, opponent amenishinda experience. Prince yenye opponent yako nayo kwa sababu wanacheza ligi Premier League na mimi nacheza NSL. Ila tu pia players wangu wamefika pale wakakuwa na uzembe. Pia lakini game iko poa. Most wamenishinda tu kwa hiyo experience.
na muroreri bitu hau niho ngukorwo ngikira gaturumo gikujiro gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa muthi ngatho cia mwanya makiria ni we wetikira gutura na ithuku maria twambiririe gikujiro giki nginya ria giunjokirie ngatho aria othe tugikorwo tukinyitana nao kuria nenda-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria njokirie ngatho aria othe tukiri nao guku mwena wa studio aria magitigira ati mohoro maya maitu ni makorwo magikukinyira na njira iria ibacirirekete ni ngukinyiria hau ngakwendithiria meraho miega nguririkania ati ona sherekia kwihanda mathama hwaini tuko tugitungana rege ngumenyithia maria tugikorwo tukimathirio ni andiki aitu a mohoro ni njitikaga wairimo wa Kimani hingo ciothe ndakwendithiria meraho miega.